Hello friends, this is Vinay from IS Interview. Today we will discuss about advanced Swift concurrency in 2026, mastering the future of asynchronous Swift. So friends, welcome to the cutting edge of Swift development. As we navigate through 2026, Swift concurrency has evolved from an experimental feature into the cornerstone of modern iOS, macOS, and Mac and cross-platform application development. This presentation explores the transformative impact of Swift's concurrency model, the latest advancements in Swift 6.2, and practical strategies for mastering asynchronous programming in today's rapidly evolving ecosystem. So, friends, all is asked is that today you do the best work of your entire life. This is quote by Steve Jobs. The concurrency revolution. Why Swift changed everything? The dark age of GCT. So we will discuss in this slide that why Swift changed everything. Before Swift concurrency emerged, developers wrestled in Grand Central dispatch and callback pyramids that bred complexity and race conditions. Code became unmaintainable, bugs multiplied, and reasoning about threat safety felt nearby impossible. The paradigm shift. Swift concurrency introduced async await syntax, structured concurrency pattern, and actors for safer, clearer asynchronous code. These tools transformed how we think about concurrency operations, making previously complex patterns intuitive and compiler verified. 2026, the tipping point. With Swift 6.2 and iOS 18, concurrency isn't just a feature, it's fundamental to Swift development. The ecosystem has matured, tools have improved, and concurrency has become non negotiable for performant applications. Swift concurrency, a mess or a masterpiece. So, friends, we will discuss in this slide that Swift is masterpiece or mess. Like the journey towards mastering Swift concurrency presents both extraordinary opportunities and genuine challenges as the ecosystem matures. Developers find themselves caught between the promise of safer, more efficient code and the reality of a steep learning curve that tests even experienced practitioners. Now, moving on the reality check, the state of Swift concurrency in 2026, progress and pain points. So, friends, we will discuss what is the progress in Swift concurrency in 2026 or what is the pain point. So, still evolving. Number one, so Swift concurrency remains a moving target, complex isolation rules, and the divide between Swift 5 and Swift 6 compiler modes create confusion. Developers must navigate compatibility matrices, migration strategies, and subtle semantic differences that impact production code. The learning cliff. Newcomers face an intimidating barrier to entry. The conceptual shift from imperative to structured concurrency combined with arcane compiler errors and data race diagnostics makes initial adoption challenging. Even seasoned developers reconsider career investment amid rapid changes. Endless debates. The Swift community continues vigorous discussions about concurrency, ergonomics versus safety guarantee. Every architectural decision prompt it depends responses reflecting genuine complexity in balancing developer experience with correctness guarantees. What's new? Friends, we will discuss what is the new Swift 6.2 beyond async await, smarter, faster, safer. Inline arrays, fixed size array now live on the stack rather than heap, dramatically improving performance for graphics rendering, mathematical computations, and tight loops. This optimization eliminates allocation overhead for performance critical code paths. At the rate concurrent attribute methods can now explicitly opt out of actor isolation when safe, enabling flexible concurrency patterns. This attribute allow careful optimization, whilst maintaining compile time verification of thread safety guarantees. Module level isolation. Actor isolation can now apply at file and module boundaries, reducing annotation clutter throughout your code base. This ergonomic improvement makes large scale adoption more practical and maintainable. Smarter diagnostics like compiler error messages have become significantly more actionable, cutting false positives and providing clear guidance for fixing concurrency issues. The tooling finally matches the sophistication of the concurrency model. So, friend, we will now check the success story that real world impact Apple's password monitoring service case study. 40% performance gain, improvement in response time, 50% capacity reduction, fewer servers needed, and 1 billion daily requests like scale achieved. So, industrial validation at scale. In 2025, Apple's password monitoring service underwent a complete migration from Java to Swift concurrency. The results were remarkable: 40% performance improvement and 50% capacity reduction, whilst handling billions of daily requests. This case study demonstrates that Swift concurrency isn't just theoretical elegance, it delivers measurable business value in production environment. The migration validated Swift's readiness for industrial scale concurrent systems, proving that structured concurrency translates directly into infrastructure cost saving and improved user experience. The success has emboldened teams across Apple and beyond to accelerate their concurrency adoption strategies. Deep dive mastering Swift task in 2026. So, friends, now we'll deep dive into mastering Swift task. Task represent the fundamental unit of asynchronous work in Swift concurrency. Understanding their nuances is essential for building robust performant applications. Structured vs unstructured. Structured tasks inherit context and enforce completion before parent finishes. Unstructured tasks run independently with explicit lifetime management. Choosing appropriately impacts cancellation, propagation, and resource cleanup. Priority management. Task can specify priority labels high, medium, low, background that hint to the runtime scheduler. Priority inversion is automatically handled, ensuring system responsiveness while preventing deadlocks. Cancellation patterns. Corporative cancellation allows task to check task dot is cancelled and clean up gracefully. Advanced patterns include timeout wrappers and cancellation token propagation through complex operation graphs. Task groups enable dynamic parallelism with fine grained control. Add child tasks, collect results with error handling, and manage concurrent operations that scale with data size rather than fixed parallelism. Thread safety guarantees. At the sendable closures and automatic data risk prevention ensure that concurrent operations cannot inadvertently corrupt shared state. The compiler verifies at compile time that only thread safe data crosses isolation boundaries, eliminating entire classes of runtime bugs that plagued previous concurrency models. Ecosystem interoperability and ecosystem expansion, like breaking platform barrier. So Swift 6.2 dramatically enhances interoperability with C++, Java, and Objective-C, making it practical to incrementally adopt Swift concurrency in complex brownfield projects. Legacy code can gradually transition without wholesale rewrites. The official Android SDK brings Swift concurrency pattern to Android development. Village WebAssembly support enables server-side Swift and browser-based applications. Swift is no longer confined to Apple platforms. AI-assisted development. VS Code and Xcode 26 now integrate AI assistants trained specifically on Swift concurrency patterns. These tools help write concurrent code, suggest fixes for data race warning, and explain complex isolation requirements, accelerating the learning curve significantly. Now, friends, moving on the challenges ahead and community pulse. The paradox of progress. Despite deeper ecosystem investment and production success stories, Swift's popularity ranking have dipped TOB index 26th. This apparent contradiction reflects market dynamics rather than technical merit. Swift's influence concentrates in high value mobile and systems programming needs. Real world friction points. The browser companies pivot away from Swift UI highlighted genuine performance bottleneck. When concurrency meets UI frameworks, complex view hierarchies with intensive async operations can still produce jank, exposing areas where the concurrency model needs refinement. Architectural debate fuel innovation. The Swift community continues rigorous discussion about actor isolation, granularity, sendability requirements, and ergonomics trade offs. These debates aren't sign of failure, they are evidence of a maturing ecosystem refining its approaches based on real world deployment experience. The path forward embrace, experiment, and excel. Number one is acknowledge complexity. Swift concurrency is genuinely genuinely complex, but this complexity reflects the inherent challenges of concurrent systems. Accept the learning investments as essential for modern app performance and safety. Number two, start small, scale gradually. Adopt concurrency in critical modules first, network layer, data processing pipelines, background operations, leverage Swift 6.2's improved ergonomics to reduce annotation burden as you expand. Number three, master advanced APIs. Invest time to understanding task life cycle management, task groups, and actor isolation patterns. These are not optional extras. They are foundational for building robust, scalable applications built for tomorrow. The future of Swift is inherently concurrent. Applications that master structured concurrency today will have architectural advantages for years to come. The ecosystem momentum is undeniable. The future is concurrent. Master it to build the next generation of Swift applications. Your journey towards concurrency expertise isn't just career development, it's positioning yourself at the forefront of how modern software systems are architected and delivered. So, friends, thank you for watching this video. If you want to do this informative video, please like, share, and subscribe so we can deliver this type of informative video again and again. Thank you.